The Congress Party, the largest opposition party, has lined up a slew of speakers in the House, including Gaurav Gogoi, Priyanka Gandhi and others. But conspicuous by its absence is Shashi Tharoor. Well, we found Shashi Tharoor outside Parliament and we asked him this question. Take a look at this.
They have sent you email that's supporting.
Ma'am, you want Mr. Tharoor to speak in the parliament?
Sir, आप पार्लियामेंट में बोलेंगे क्या?
Speak in the parliament? You want Mr. Tharoor to speak in the parliament today?
He is constitutionally empowered to speak anywhere, भाई. मैं कौन होती हूँ permission देने?
Sir, will you be speaking today? You led the delegation to the United States, sir. Will you be speaking?
You never called me for your mango party.
Of course, sir.
You should have called.
They have sent you email that's supporting. Ma'am, you want Mr. Tharoor to speak in the parliament?
Sir, आप पार्लियामेंट में बोलेंगे क्या?
Speak in the parliament? You want Mr. Tharoor to speak in the parliament?
So I want to give you some more context, viewer, because this is actually really interesting. Can you imagine a debate in the Lok Sabha where the opposition wants to pin down the government on Operation Sindoor and international affairs, and Shashi Tharoor is not one of the speakers? Can you imagine that in any normal political situation? It gives you a clear glimpse of what the political dynamics right now are between the Congress and Shashi Tharoor. They have been in free fall, in deterioration mode for a very long time now. But on a national issue where the Congress party is looking to pin down the government, not putting Shashi Tharoor on its list of speakers, having people like Gaurav Gogoi, Priyanka Gandhi, Vadra and others on its list, but not Shashi Tharoor, makes it very conspicuous, how bad the trust deficit really is between the Congress party and one of its most prominent faces in the Lok Sabha, Shashi Tharoor. I want to play out the sequence once again, where NDTV's Aishwarya Jain directly asks Shashi Tharoor why he isn't one of the speakers in this debate. Take a look at this and then we'll bring Aishwarya in.
Sir, will you be speaking today? You led the delegation to the United States, sir. Will you be speaking?
You never called me for your mango party.
Of course, sir.
You should have called.
They have sent you email that's supporting. Ma'am, you want Mr. Tharoor to speak in the parliament?
Sir, आप पार्लियामेंट में बोलेंगे क्या?
Speak in the parliament? You want Mr. Tharoor to speak in the parliament today?
He is constitutionally empowered to speak anywhere, भाई. मैं कौन होती हूँ permission देने?
Sir, will you be speaking today? You led the delegation to the United States.
Aishwarya Jain, who had that conversation with Shashi Tharoor where he didn't actually say anything, is with me for a quick word on this. Aishwarya, this is actually pretty shocking that Shashi Tharoor isn't one of the speakers. What's going on? Is this all about the internal dynamics, the relationship breakdown, the trust deficit between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress that he's been left out like this?
Well, very interesting exchange of words between Dr. Shashi Tharoor and Renuka Chaudhary. As I asked Dr. Shashi Tharoor directly that you led the delegation to the United States and whether on an all-important day when Operation Sindoor debate is being conducted in the Lok Sabha, whether he will be speaking or not. He silently moved away, but interestingly, Renuka Chaudhary, who is also a Congress Rajya Sabha MP, was standing just nearby, and Renuka Chaudhary asked Dr. Shashi Tharoor on an all-important day that why didn't he invite Dr. Shashi Tharoor to a mango party that he gave at his residence. And when we asked Renuka Chaudhary that whether she wants his colleague to speak in the parliament who led an all-important delegation to the United States, she said that Dr. Shashi Tharoor is all empowered, constitutionally empowered to speak in the Lok Sabha. Who is she to give him a permission? Interestingly, and irony is that the Congress party has not named Dr. Shashi Tharoor in the list of the speakers as far as the Lok Sabha is concerned. Priyanka Gandhi, Vadra to Gaurav Gogoi, all are speaking, but Dr. Shashi Tharoor, who had led the entire delegation, is not a part of the list of the speakers from the Congress party.